Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're cooking a quick and easy garlic shrimp and vegetable stir fry. So let's get started. And for the shrimp, we have extra large shrimp here. And let me tell you something, they're nice and big and they're going to add a lot of flavor. They're going to be tasty. And for the vegetables here, we got sugar snap peas, broccoli, green beans, yellow squash, red peppers, carrots, yellow peppers, and water chestnuts. Wow, that sounds good already, and we didn't even start cooking. So let's start cooking. Okay, we have a quarter cup of soy sauce here. And to that, we're going to add maybe 2-3 ounces of chicken stock or chicken broth. We're going to put that right in there. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, now we're going to put that aside. Okay, now we're going to set our burner temperature to medium. And we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. And we're going to let that heat up a little bit. Okay, our pan's hot enough. So we're going to take our nice shrimp here. They're beautiful. And we're going to just dump them right in there. Yeah, now we're going to fry them up until they get a nice pink color, and we're only going to cook them about halfway, and then we're going to take them out of there. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Now we're going to flip them over. Okay, we're going to add just a little more salt on this side and a little more pepper on this side. Okay, they're almost done. Give them about another minute. Okay, they're done. Let's get them out of there. Boy, they look good. Beautiful. They smell good already. Nice. Okay, they're about halfway cooked there, or right about. So we'll put them aside. Boy, they're going to add some good flavor there. We'll put those aside for now. And in the pan here, we got some nice flavor bits. And we're going to keep them because it's going to add to the shrimp flavor. That's always good. Now we're going to add a little more oil to the pan. And we're going to turn it on medium. And we're going to take our garlic here and we're going to put that in the pan. We're going to stir that around. Okay, our minced garlic's looking pretty good here. Okay, now to that we're going to add a little bit of butter. And we're going to stir that around here and melt that in there. Yeah, butter. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to take our shrimp and we're going to dump them back in there with all the juice and everything. Beautiful. And we're going to mix that together. Get our nice garlic flavors going there. And the butter. Wow, this is smelling really good. Wish you could smell this because it's nice. Okay, once we get it all mixed, which it's pretty well mixed right now, we're going to take them back out of there. Now we have all our garlic and all mixed in there. Look at them. They're really nice. Beautiful. Wish you could smell these shrimp because they're nice. Did we get them all? Yep. Alright, we'll put them aside one last time here. Okay, now we're going to crank our heat back up one last time. Put a little bit of extra oil in the pan. Put all that garlic and shrimp taste. And we're going to take our vegetables here and we're going to put them right in there. And we're going to stir fry them and get them a little bit tender. Not much, we want a little crunch to them. Now we're going to cover that and kind of steam them a little bit. Maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Okay, now we're going to take our noodles. These could be egg noodles or you can use pasta noodles. We're going to just put a handful of them in there. Just like that. Okay, that ought to be enough. And we're going to stir them in. Might need a couple more. Let's put a little bit more in. Okay, that ought to be enough. And we'll stir them in. Okay, now we're gonna add our soy sauce in there, mixture. Okay, it's doing pretty good. Stir it around. Okay, that's starting to look really good and it smells wonderful. Okay, now we're going to add our shrimp. Add our beautiful garlic shrimp. And we're going to reduce the heat. Look at that. Boy, is that going to be tasty. Of course, I made too much. That's normal. Let's cover that and let everything get nice and warm. Okay, let's see how we did here. Oh yeah, everything's nice and warm. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get some of this out of here and plate this up. I can't wait to taste this. Okay, let's plate that up. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Can you see it? Look at those shrimp. Beautiful. And boy, they smell good. Yep, definitely looks like I made too much. That's normal. Gotta get all them good vegetable bits out of there. And the garlic, you can smell the garlic. It's beautiful. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Really beautiful. Quick and easy garlic, shrimp, and vegetable stir fry. Yeah, I can't wait to get into that right there. There you have it, guys. A quick and easy garlic, shrimp, and vegetable stir fry. And boy, are those shrimp nice. Yeah, that looks really good, and it smells good too. So let's just have one. Oh yeah, beautiful. You can taste the garlic and the shrimp, and it mixed in with the rest of the meal here with all the different noodles and the vegetables. Yeah, this is really good. You got sugar snap pea, broccoli, green beans, yellow squash, red peppers, carrots, yellow peppers, and water chestnuts in there, and you can't beat that right there. Boy, is that tasty. Look at those shrimp. Can you see them? Here. Beautiful. Yeah, let's taste the noodles here and everything and get some of that. See how that is with a nice red pepper. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's glistening. Okay. Yep, you definitely. You know what would go good with that right there? Yeah, nope. I was going to say wobble pop. But I think I'm going to have a nice glass of wine. That sounds good. And maybe invite some friends over. Now that does sound good. Yeah, you know what I forgot to put on there? Some sesame seeds. Just spritz them on there a little bit. Okay. That's better.